It's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday. I am back. We got to talk about Ipsy BoxyCharm. I am part of the Ipsy Open Studios program, which means they send me the Ipsy Glam Bag and the BoxyCharm box now each month. And then I'm also getting the big icon box. I'm so excited. I also have an affiliate link for the boxes. I will put that below if anyone is interested in trying these. So the new way this is happening is there is now an Ipsy Glam Bag, which I'm going to open here for $13 a month. There is a BoxyCharm box, which says Ipsy because they're all the same company now, which is $28 a month. And then there's the icon box, which is every 3 months. So a little bit different change up going on. So the theme for this month is anything is possible. So I'm going to open up this one first. I have not opened this yet, so it's always fun to dig in and check it out. Whew. We have a bag. I love these bags, by the way. This one's pretty this month. I always find a use for my bag. So I'm going to dig in here and see what I got. Oh, the first thing I got, check it out. Some beauty blenders. I always use these, so that's always a good thing to have. Beauty blenders. I got a I Am Beautiful mascara. You guys know how much I go through mascara. I always love trying out new mascara. I got the Barrier Culture Moisturizer from the new company. I got, oh, big thing. I got the Professional. This is, a foaming cleanser. This is fun from Benefit. I like Benefit. Benefit looks good this month. I've always liked their products. So what does this look like? There we go. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, it's like a gel. Oh, it smells very fresh too. It's like a gel cleanser. Oh, that's cool. I always like trying new stuff, so that's fun. And then, what else did I get in here? I got a gel eyeliner by Shades by Sean. So check it out. So that was the $13 bag. Then I'm going to go over to the big one. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. I thought there were 5 products in here. Why am I missing one? Oh yeah, it was hiding. And then you know what else is in here? My Harry Potter letter opener. I was looking for this. Oh my gosh, because I always use that to open my boxes. I'm like, where the heck did that thing go? I found it. That's always a good thing. Okay, so in the big box, which is the $28 box now, I got the Origins Ginseng Glowing Into the Glow Brightening Serum. Yay, that's pretty exciting. So I got one of these. Check that out. Always good for summer. I got the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. This is the Gloss Bomb Heat Universal Lip Luminizer. Oh, plumper. I don't use lip plumpers. I don't know why. I'm like kind of afraid of them. This one's called Heat. I wonder if it heats up. It's pretty. It's called Lemon Lava. I gotta smell this. I might have to try this. Oh, it smells good. If anyone's used this, let me know. I'm really curious. Now I'm thinking I want to use it. Okay, next up from Tovgun is a Red Remedy toner. The heck is this? This looks interesting. Dig into this. Oh, Color Food series. What do you do with it? Is this a toner? Let's see here. After washing your face, apply appropriate amount and apply toner to even out your face. I don't know. I've never even seen anything like these before. Oops. Let me put a little in my hand. Is it red? I don't know. I think it's sealed. I gotta figure out what this is. Has anyone tried this before? Because I've never tried this before. Okay. Okay. Always fun to try new stuff. And then I got, from Natasha, is that Natasha Denona? I always pronounced that wrong. Check it out. This is always good. It's always fun to get a palette. That's a pretty palette too. Look at this. Browns. Always love the browns for summer. And then the final thing I got was the IYS Beauty. It's a cream bronzer stick. Oh, that's cool for summer. Let me pull this out. Oh, this is nice. Look at this. I'm just going to do, oh, look at that. That is really, really bronzy. That's pretty though. Look at this. It's very blendable. That's really pretty though. Look at that. Yeah, I like this. This is kind of a fun product. Okay. So, yay! Great first Ipsy / BoxyCharm box. Again, I have an affiliate link below if anyone's interested in trying either one of these boxes. Boy, that is just really pretty. Anyway, thank you as always for watching. Thank you so much to Ipsy for sending me all of this. I will be getting the icon box next month. I cannot wait. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.